Hello, this is Amin Rahman. I'm reciting the poem All About G, J, and Z by Mushfiqur Rahman. All about G, J, and Z. All these rhymes are written in earnest zest. See how different G, J, and Z are with jest. Sounds can be tricky unless we practice and digest. It just needs training. That's what linguists suggest. Like a magician's abracadabra, one can transform a zebra into a zebra. A graceful, tall animal by the name of giraffe. So often it is insulted being called a giraffe. US President Zachary Taylor, also known as Zach, while John Kennedy was affectionately called Jack. Tarzan roamed the forest with girlfriend Jane. Using zodiac signs, they jaunted through rain. Life is a collection of many big zoos, mispronounced at your peril as Jews. Like a zealot who may not be jealous, but he's always, by definition, zealous. Once I lived in a country called Brazil where I met a pretty maiden called Jill. Our friendship was full of fun and zeal. Alas, a relationship which didn't congeal. Heartbroken, I traveled to Zimbabwe, which sadly is now ruled by a Zimbabwe zombie. So fled to Zambia along a road so zigzag, not much fun, no jigs, just one painful jag. People from Zaire are not necessarily zany, and the Japanese are anything but jolly. Southern Africa once was ruled by the Zulu, where indigenous faith healers practiced juju. You can zoom into your preferred zones, but no one can zoom, not even a Jones. If you have gone this far, you are one big hero. You know your Z from J. A zero is not a zero.